Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow your green screen channel. We'll dive into understanding your audience and the types of content that truly resonate. It's crucial to identify popular trends and plan your videos with engaging visual effects in mind. By focusing on these key areas, you can significantly boost your channel's visibility and attract a dedicated viewership. Let's get started on making your green screen content shine. To truly engage your audience, diversify your green screen content. Consider creating tutorials, reaction videos, or even short skits that leverage virtual sets for enhanced storytelling. Imagine transporting your viewers to entirely new worlds. Incorporating interactive elements, like polls or questions, can also significantly boost engagement, keeping your audience hooked for longer than 30 seconds. Achieving a professional look requires mastering your technical setup. Ensure your green screen backdrop is evenly lit to avoid shadows, which can complicate the keying process. A high-quality camera, capturing at least 1080 pixels, will provide crisp footage. Finally, utilize professional editing software to achieve seamless keying, making your virtual backgrounds look incredibly realistic and polished. Promoting your channel is vital for growth. Share your videos across multiple social media platforms, reaching a broader audience beyond your current subscribers. Actively engage with comments and questions, fostering a strong, loyal community. Consider collaborating with other creators in your niche. This can introduce your content to new viewers and expand your channel's reach by hundreds, if not thousands, of potential subscribers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.